Hi, dear pupils, children. How are you doing at home? Hope you all are fine, dear children. Okay, I'm your maths teacher here. Will be teaching you about money. Okay, today topic is money and the content standard will be recognized money. So teacher going to teach you. So how do we going to recognize money? Okay. Okay, dear children. Okay, these are the examples of money, which is Malaysian money. Okay. Okay, class. This is the Malaysian money. Okay. So here got example of notes. Okay. And also coins. So these are the example of notes. Class. Okay. We will call it as Ringgit Malaysia. And these are the example of coins. We call it as a duit shilling in Malay. Okay. Okay, dear children. Let's move on to today's topic. As a teacher mentioned earlier, that is recognize, okay, money. So first of all, teacher going to teach you how do we recognize coin. Okay, these are the example coin, right, class? Okay, sure you all have been, okay, come across with these types of shilling. Okay, so these are the 5 cent. Okay, this is the 5 cent, and this is the 10 cent, and this is the 20 cent, and this is the 50 cent. Okay, okay, so these are the example of coins, class. Okay, okay, class. So when we look at the coins, okay, when we look at the coins just now, okay, we can see there are some similarities and also difference, right, class? Okay. So what are the similarities and also difference? Okay, okay, that is we are going to look at this. Okay. So when we compare 10 cent and 20 cent, okay, so let's take a look at this picture. Okay, in this picture, okay, they show 10 cent and 20 cent. Okay, when we compare 10 cent, 20 cent, we can see some similarities. Okay, for example, okay, in terms of number, okay, class, okay, you see, first similarity is both have number. Okay, both have number. So this is 10 cent and this is 20 cent, right? Okay. And the second similarity, okay, we can see is both have round shape. Right or not, class? Yes, both have round shape. Okay. And both has same flower. What type of flower is that? Yes, that is a national flower. Okay, our national flower is hibiscus. Okay, you see, got hibiscus or not? Yes. So that's why, okay, they put the arrow. Okay, you can see this is the similarities. Okay, this is the similarities. Okay, you can see in your textbook on page 12 class. Okay, and what is the difference when we compare 10 cent and 20 cent? Yes, okay, the difference is in terms of color. Okay, okay, color. Silver, okay, I mean 10 cent in silver color, whereas 20 cent in gold color. So only one difference is in color. Okay, class? Okay. Okay, now, so when you look at page 12, okay, at the bottom of the page, okay, you can see, okay, they give you one question. Look at these coins. What are the similarities? What are the differences? Okay, okay. So when we compare 5 cent and 50 cent, okay, the similarities, okay, teacher list down some similarities here. Okay, one is round shape. Okay, similarity means same உள்ளது. Okay, சமமா உள்ளது. That is we call similarities. Okay, okay. So one is round shape. Both have round shape. And the second similarity is has hibiscus sculpture. Okay, sculpture na அதோட வரைவு படம். சரிங்களா? Okay, so you see the picture of hibiscus flower and has number as what we discussed earlier, okay, has number. Both have number. 5 cent means 5 lah, number 5. And the 50 cent means number 50. Okay, these are we call similarities. Okay, what it is a differences. Okay, differences. Okay, differences is two differences. One is color and one more is sizes. One more is what? Sizes. Okay, you see 5 cent is very, very small. Too small. Okay, and the 50 cent is a bit bigger from the 5 cent, right? So the difference, one difference is in size and one more difference is color. 5 cent in silver color and the 50 cent is in gold color. Okay. Okay. So when you look at page 12, you can see, okay, this type of question class. Okay, come now let's look at page 13. Now look at page 13. Okay, 13. We are going to, teacher going to teach you about recognize notes. Okay, notes na enna theriyala? Tamil enna solluvaanga? Thal. Okay, notes enna? Thal. Okay, so we call it as Ringgit Malaysia also. Okay, notes, notes we call it as Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, this is Ringgit Malaysia 1, this is Ringgit Malaysia 5, and this is Ringgit Malaysia 10. Okay, in next class, okay, in next class, teacher going to teach you more detail on value of money. Okay, okay. So for now, so this is the notes, right? Okay, example notes, 1 ringgit, 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit. Okay. So in each note, okay, each note represent different colors. Okay, each note represents different colors. Okay, so 1 ringgit, you know, sure you know, right class? 1 ringgit in blue color and the 5 ringgit in green color and the 10 ringgit is in red color. Okay, what are the characteristic? Okay, what is the characteristic of the notes? Okay, we call it as a characteristic. Okay, you see, got wow bulan. Okay, this is we call wow bulan. Okay, wow bulan. Okay, and also hibiscus flower. Okay, sure, every notes and every coin got hibiscus flower. Why? Because hibiscus flower is our national flower. Okay, class. And for the wow bulan is only in a has in Ringgit Malaysia 1. Okay, and how about Ringgit Malaysia 5? Okay, Ringgit Malaysia 5. Okay, in 5 ringgit, Ringgit Malaysia 5. One is in green color. Sure, you all know, dear children. And what type of animal is that? What type of animal is that? Is we call hornbill. Okay, in Malay we call burung enggang. In English we call hornbill. And for sure got has hibiscus flower. And how about 10 ringgit? Okay, how about 10 ringgit? Okay, 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit, you see, got hibiscus flower, and you can see, what's that? What type of flower is this? It's a Rafflesia, okay? Rafflesia, okay? Rafflesia, okay? This is the Rafflesia flower, okay? Yes, okay. And this in a red color, okay, class. Okay, you see, teacher give one note. All these notes has the photo of our first Yang di-Pertuan Agong Malaysia, Tuanku Abdul Rahman Tuanku Muhammad. You can see the face of Agong King. Okay, Agong means king. Our first king in Malaysia. Yeah, our first king in Malaysia is a Tuanku Abdul Rahman. Okay, in every note, okay. Not only Ringgit Malaysia 1, 5 and 10. For Ringgit Malaysia 100, Ringgit Malaysia 20, every note has our Yang di-Pertuan Agong first, okay, picture of our king, okay, Malaysian king, okay. Okay, let's move on to, okay, so this is the some okay, characteristic. Okay, so as a teacher mentioned earlier, this is hibiscus, this is a number, and this is what? Bank Negara logo. Okay, this we call Bank Negara logo. Okay, in each every notes you can see. Okay, okay, our national bank lah is our national bank is Bank Negara, right? That is you can see the logo. Okay, the logo of the bank. Okay, class. Okay, you can see one question is there. Talk about this RM5 and RM10. What are the differences? Okay, so from these notes, okay, note 5 and note 10, sure you can see, you can say the difference. Okay, the difference, one is in color. One is color and also the photo behind the notes. Okay, difference. Photo behind the note. Okay, if you see the photo behind the note 5, I mean Ringgit Malaysia 5 is hornbill. Okay, hornbill. And the photo for behind the Ringgit Malaysia 10 is Rafflesia flower. So got different. Okay, how about the similarities? Similarities we have discussed. Okay, so the similarities, one is the logo, Bank Negara logo, and the photos of our first king of Malaysia. Okay, Tuanku Abdul Rahman, and the hibiscus photo. Okay, class. Okay, so by dear children, please identify the similarities and differences. Okay, so class, from the objective our today topic is we recognize money and we also learn the characteristic of each money. Okay, in terms of coins and also notes. Okay, class. Okay, so now we're going to look at for today homework. Okay, hold on, class. Okay, class, we already covered today's topic. Okay, and the self-test talk about the money. Okay, the A, what is the money, class? Ringgit Malaysia 10. Okay, and the B is Ringgit Malaysia 5. And the C is Ringgit, not Ringgit Malaysia. You can see it's a coin. So what is the total value? 50 and 10. So is 60 cents. Okay, class. Okay. Now let's look at today homework. Okay. Today homework, okay, from your activity book on page 11. Okay, please turn on to page 11, dear children. Okay, so activity 1. Circle the Malaysian coins. Okay, circle the Malaysian coins. Okay, so you can see there are many types of notes. You can see many types of coins. Okay, got. So you identify which is Malaysian coins. So this is a 5 cent. This is a 5 cent. This is a 20 cent. Okay, and this is a 10 cent. And this is a 50 cent. Okay, and same goes to Malaysian notes also. Okay, you identify which is a Malaysian notes and put a tick. Okay, for example, this is a Ringgit Malaysia 1, right? Okay, put the tick in the box. Okay, now move on to activity 2. Activity 2, number 1, match. Okay, this is the front part of the note and you have to match with the behind part of the note. Okay, Ringgit Malaysia 1. What is the, this is the front part of the Ringgit Malaysia 1, right? Okay, note 1, right? Okay, what is the behind part? Okay, just now we teacher taught you. Okay, yes. So the behind part is wow bulan, right? Okay. And what about the Ringgit Malaysia 5? What the behind part is the hornbill animal. Okay. And how about the Ringgit Malaysia 10? Yeah, the Rafflesia flower. Okay. And yes, now look at question 2. Trace the face of each coin on a piece of paper. Cut and paste them in the space provided. Okay. So class, what we do, you have to trace. Okay, you take out a piece of paper or A4 paper. Okay, what you do, you put a coin. Okay, let's say 5 coin right on your table, and you put the paper on top of the coin, and you shade. Okay, and you shade or trace. That means kirkano. Okay, adu mele neenga kirkano. Okay, according to the shape of the coin, and you will at the last you will get the what? You will get the picture, okay, of the trace. Okay, what you trace, you will get the picture. So what you do, okay, trace the face of each coin, isn't it? Okay, this is a 5 cent, right? Okay, then what is the behind part? Okay, this is the front part, right? So what is the behind part? Okay, and same goes to what is the coin? This is the behind part. Okay, so what is the coin is a 10 cent. Okay, so what you do, you take a 10 cent, okay, you put on your table and then put your paper on top of the coin and you trace. Huh? Okay, you trace. Okay, after you trace, you cut it nicely according to the shape and paste in your activity book. Okay, then move on to next page, page 13. Activity 3. Activity 3, look at the real coins, tick what is seen. So when you do this activity, please have 5 cent and 50 cent with you. So you look at the 5 cent. Is that in the 5 cent got hibiscus? Is it in the gold color or number 5? Okay. If got hibiscus means put a tick. Is it in gold color? No, isn't it, class? Is it gold color 5 cent? No. So what you do? You put a cross. Okay, is it number 5? Yes, same goes to 50 cent. If you see got hibiscus, put a tick. If it is in a gold color, put a tick. If it's a number 50, put a tick. Okay, okay. Then question number 2. Okay, look at the real coins. Complete the table. Okay, same. So please get ready with the 20 cent and 10 cent. Okay. You look at the coins. So these are the characteristic, class. Okay, what is the number? Okay, first, number 20. So number 20, right? What you write? 20 cent. Write in a sentence like this. Okay, 20 cent. What is shape? What shape this 20 cent? In a round shape. So write round. Okay. And what color is this? Is in a 20 cent is what color? Gold color. So what you do? Gold. Okay. Gold color. Same goes to 10 cent. So number is 10 cent. Okay. The shape is round also. And the color is, okay, right, silver color. Okay, class? Okay, class? Okay, that's all for today. Okay. Okay, teacher will see you in next Google Meet. Okay, thanks for your cooperation, dear children. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.